Let's pack an order. This order is for one of my one-of-a-kind stretchy bracelets. It's made on nylon cord, and it is made with African trade beads, bone beads, Hawaiian shell beads, Hawaiian kukui nut, and some beautiful findings. All of the bracelets are one of a kind. I have several available currently in my shop. The link will be down in the description. And it came with as an extra, a jewelry clean cloth. Now, I do tape the boxes because I know how the post office is. They like to throw things around. So I want to make sure that it arrives to you, all in one piece and secure. So I'm just securing it. I'm sticking one of my little labels on there, which I'm running out of. I need to order some more. I've had these for a couple of years, y'all. They lasted a long time. I think because I ordered like a couple of hundred at the time. Ordered them from moo.com, by the way. So now I'm just tying it up just to make it look like a little gift because people often buy my jewelry for a gift for themselves. So I wanted it to look like a little gift. And also, if you're a crafter, you can always reuse the ribbon in something else. You can put it on another gift or whatever you want to do. Okay, so just wanted to make it look kind of pretty, natural but pretty. I felt like it went with the theme of the piece. So again, I have more bracelets, one of a kind bracelets now available in my Etsy shop. Okay, you can take a look. And so I'm just taping it in some bubble wrap. Again, I like to make sure everything is secure. Some people don't do that. So I'm just cutting it down because it was a little too big here. Nothing spectacular. But I wanted you to just see how my items are sent out in case, you ever wanted to order from me and was ever wondering. This is how I like to do some of my items, a lot of my items, especially the jewelry. Because the jewelry is one of a kind, so it's not like I have five of them I can resand or anything, you know. So just making sure it's nice and together and secure for you. I'm gonna be putting it here in that really pretty gold bag, so it can come to you, safely, and you get something pretty in the mail. Now, this is the first order from this client of mine. She ordered another one after that, but I didn't film it, so she was very happy with her purchase. She loved them. She said they were beautiful bracelets. So, yeah, and that is my link. You can order and check it out down below. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Ciao.